Hi, I'm Nancy from Completely Quilted, and today we are talking about section 9 from the Tula Pink Butterfly Block of the Month. So section 9 is another light section, which is so great to have some relief after you have made section 8 and all those curved pieces, because this month all you have is a chunky cross and a floating cross. And then you're going to have quite a few half square triangles. These ones are actually left over from a previous month. I've been kind of making them as I go with the extra fabrics that I have, but you're going to have quite a few that you're going to make out of fabrics from this month's kit as well. So we'll get to sewing and we'll show you how section 9 is going to look when it's all done. Okay, I know it's so exciting. I already have my section 9 sewn together, and because I've already completed my section 7 and my section 8, I've sewn these together, and you can see now how section 9 fits on to the section 7, 8, and then this gets sewn to the bottom of your wing. So now you have enough to complete both sides of your wings, and next month we'll work on the center body.